Stop stressing about GoHighLevel AI. This one simple offer I'm about to show you may be the thing that helps you land clients consistently over and over again. It's easy to set up, solves real business problems, runs almost on autopilot. But lucky for you, instead of you having to either take hours to set this thing up or pay someone $5,000 for it, I've put this entire system into a GoHighLevel snapshot, and it is yours free right down below. So this is the system that I have built for you. It's called an AI Smart website, and yes, it's built on a restaurant. Now, a couple things. So first off, you can sell this to anyone. It doesn't just have to be restaurants, because the demo that I'm going to show you later applies to any business. But this template I've built is specifically for restaurants, and it is insane because restaurants get an extremely high message and call volume, like almost more than anyone else. People want to order food. What we've done here is we've added a lot more stuff. So it's not just a website. We get under the hood. We have AI voice agents. We have smart forms. We have AI chatbots and AI voice widgets that you can talk to and order your food live. This will save restaurants so much time. I'm telling you right now, this is the future of ordering food. If you can get this now, get in on it. If you have a restaurant or you're selling to restaurants as an agency, take care of this ASAP, because this is going to change everything. And again, I have other templates on my channel, like plumbers, HVAC electricians, but you can take the basic core components and do this to any niche. So do not worry, I have you covered. So if you have any questions at all during this video, please drop them down below, because you're probably going to have some, and I will answer them personally. So the first thing is that this snapshot, which is right down below for yours free, don't even have to sign up my affiliate, has a bunch of different stuff. So it has AI voice agents. It has a really nice clean converting website, as you see here, but it's also got a lot of other stuff. Okay, like you see here, voice AI agent, but it's got AI chatbots as well. It's got knowledge base that's pre-built out. It has a bunch of automations, forms, and a couple other things. And all this is packed in here. Now, the thing is, okay, is that you want the ability to have this sell itself to business owners. That is the goal. Now, the trick with this is have them demo it for their clients, not you demoing it for them. That's the trick. Because a lot of people come in and they go, look how cool this is for your restaurant. We can get you ranked on Google. We can, answer some messages, and you just tell them. And to them, it's like, oh, that's cool. Why would I need that? But when you have them demo it, okay, whether via cold email, cold call, walk-ins, however you're doing it, they will see firsthand how this sells to their customers. So important that you get this, because what a lot of you guys do is you just sell them, but they need to see how it's going to make them more money. And the key is all in the demo. Let me show you. So if they come in, they want to talk to a live chat, they could say, hey, I want to come get food. Okay, we can message them just like that. So boom, just like that, they even spell it right, and it's basically asking me to come in. Obviously, we don't have a software plugged in that's like a restaurant software. A lot of different people have these. You can plug in, or you can all do it through HighLevel, but you need to build out the products for it to sell. Remember, restaurants have things that they sell. Obviously, it's not how it's set up because you have a gazillion different products you sell, but just like that, it'll go through and it will be like, oh, you want this? You want to order online, or you have the chat bot. And you can do the same thing via the voice agent, where you could come on and talk to it.
Hey, you have reached the food restaurant. This is Bella. How can I help you today?
I'm starving.
Got it. Sounds like you're ready to dig in.
So basically, you get the point. You can go through it and it will assist you with that. Again, with restaurants, you're going to want to have products set up or plug in their other software. But if you get this part plugged in for a restaurant, it is a game changer. Like, I cannot tell you how many times you call a restaurant and people don't answer because they're legitimately too busy to answer the phones. This is a huge opportunity, I'm saying. Huge. You can go to tons of restaurants. You will not see AI voice chat widgets. And I'll tell you this, when these start coming out, I will enjoy using them thoroughly, because I want to order my food and I want to order it now, as opposed to looking through the menu, looking at this. You can just ask a chatbot or a voice agent what you want and how you want it, and roll it like that. So again, guys, this is built for restaurants, but you can use this exact same thing for plumbers, HVAC electricians, any single business. And I already have a lot of those templates pre-built out, so don't worry about it. So now that you understand this, let me quickly go over setup. Okay, so you're going to come into the snapshot once you have it, which is right down below, high-level snapshot. You're going to come right into AI agents. You're going to come right into voice AI first. We're going to go to agent list, and we're just going to make sure that we have the proper stuff plugged in. So obviously put your restaurant name in. I wouldn't change any of this other stuff because I already have it set up. This all looks good. Again, whatever your software is, or if you need your products built out for your entire restaurant, that is another video I have on my channel, so please understand that. And then from there, it's just plugging in the right phone number. Unless you just want to use the AI voice widget that I showed you earlier, you do not need a phone number to use that. But if you want to plug in the real number, you just either plug it in or take their existing number and port it into here. And I think you can buy a number for like $1. It's very cheap. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Then you're going to come to conversation AI. We're going to go to agent lists. We're going to go to Bella, and we're going to make sure this is on autopilot and you have the right channel selected. What's interesting about restaurants is different, guys, in the high level niche from a lot of other places is they get high volume through social media because they take pictures of delicious food, post it. People are like, that actually looks really good, and they order. It's a much different business model than plumbers and HVAC. A lot of plumbers and HVAC, they're not going to get a lot of volume through Instagram and Facebook unless they're running ads. But with restaurants, you will be getting, and hair salons and stuff like that. So really important to pick that. From there, this is also already set up. Again, products, menus, all of that stuff for restaurants. I have other videos on that. If you're really looking to get into that, that's either plugging the software or setting that up. But other than that, this is already good to go. From there, once you have this entire thing set up, all you got to do is go right down to sites, come into websites, go to restaurant, come right here to edit new tab, and then replace this number with the number you wanted to add in, or get rid of it if you just want it to be the voice widget. From there, you're done. It's that simple. You just have to plug in your other basic stuff with like the software or products because you're a restaurant. From there, you're done. It's that simple. So the frame is already built out. Now, I have a ton of these different templates like this that I've built out on my YouTube channel, okay? Again, if you have any questions about it, drop them in the comments down below. But the important part is with this, you can use this demo where I said, they go in and they demo it for themselves for any service-based business. You could show this to a plumber and it'll still make sense. So I just want to let you know, you don't have to just demo this to restaurants. It can be to anyone. It just helps more if it is that niche. That's why I've created so many of them. So that's really all you have to do. From there, you're good to go. Your setup is done. That's it. Now, if you really want to learn more about like selling this and going really in depth on this, there's a couple things you can do. First off, watch the videos on my channel. I always recommend that because I have so much stuff and I give it away for free. But I also have a bunch of other amazing free stuff I give away, which is my free course community and all my bonuses that you get for free when you sign up with my high level link right down below. Okay. It's a 30-day free trial, not a 14-day. You get an extra 15 days on that, or actually 16. It's super powerful. And again, I had to talk to the high level team to get that. But when you sign up with that, you also get access to my entire community where you can network and talk to people. All of my trainings, as you see here, snapshots, mastering high level AI trainings, everything you could possibly need geared towards both beginners and agencies trying to scale. So we got you both ways, but also the ultimate hand-holding experience, okay, to help you out and give you all the help you could possibly need. These are calls with people like me where you can hop on Zoom and talk to me. You can message me whenever you want. Real coaches, real agency owners. This isn't just some people I hired off Fiverr to talk to. These are real people selling high level, okay? Like you can't find this anywhere else. If you can, let me know in the comments and I'll be like, wow, that's incredible. But we give away so much stuff here because I want to help you out. Also, as you know, I am an award-winning agency owner. I've done this for a while. I've spent a lot of time. You see all the awards in the back. Not showing that to brag, but I'm showing that I've been doing this for a while. With all this, I'm trying to give you all of the stuff that helped me and fast-track that. Again, so these templates, this stuff is free right down below. You don't even have to sign up with my affiliate. But all of this stuff is also free when you sign up with my affiliate or if you upgrade to me on high level. So either or works. Check it out. But we really go in depth on like selling and all kinds of other stuff and really give you that proper motivation and hand-holding you're going to need to make it to the next level. So if that interests you, click the link down below and check it out. You can even just click the link and just look at the testimonies you have. I think you're really, really going to like it. All right. So the last thing I want to do before we go, because you now understand what this is and you can get it for free down below. You now understand that it's self-selling. You now understand all the bonuses I give away. You now understand how this works and how to set it up. I now want to go into why this is so powerful. I'm going to show you some slides and really break down how this can really solve core problems. So when you go into businesses, whether it be restaurants or whatnot, you can know that you are actually providing real value. So the first key part is that it solves core business problems, really valuable. You're solving a real problem business owners already face. Customer support and sales through phone and messages. It's an easier sell because it tackles core problems that they already deal with, really important, unlike add-ons such as social media. This is key, guys. With a lot of stuff in high level, you have to convince them of something new. Hey, you want a website? Hey, do you want social media? Do you want audiences? Do you want this? You want that? Most businesses already text people or message people of some kind, email, whatever, or talk to people on the phone. Almost every business does that. It's already something they're doing. You don't have to convince them to do something they've never done before. The comfort zone and all that stuff, they can stay in their warm little comfort zone. You can just come in and go, hey, what I'll do is I'll just take away your time doing these tasks you hate that you're already doing, and you can pay me $297, $597, $997, whatever you want per month. You see how this is different than other offers? It's solving a problem they already have. Guys, really big stuff. Second, fast setup. AI agents can be deployed through a smart website, integrated into an existing website. That's really key because you can take these AI agents I created and put them on any website, Wix, Squarespace, whatever you very easily, or spread across a brand's digital presence with ease. With the right templates, which I give you all on my channel for free down below, onboarding is very fast and simple. Super important. Fast setup is everything. If it takes you forever to onboard people, you will have a massive bottleneck in your growth. Trust me, on my journey, in my agency to winning all these awards, I faced a lot of problems, and that was one of them. I would offer things that were so complicated and took forever to set up that it just took too much time. And I'm not saying that's bad to do that, but it will end up wasting so much time trying to set stuff up when in reality, you can bypass that with the right templates and the right onboarding process. Last but not least, number 3, easy to run, beginner friendly. So this one's big for beginners. This offer requires very little ongoing work compared to most high-level offers, while still delivering high value and solving core problems. You solve the setup, the maintenance is just making sure the bots work right. From there, you're pretty much done. That's it. It's not complicated. That's why I'm going all in on AI. It is the best thing. It's the easiest to set up, it's the easiest to run, and it provides the most value. It's like the holy trinity of value. I'm not seeing this anywhere else. And guys, I swear, so many of you guys are coming in and asking me like, I'm struggling getting clients, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Most of the time, you're just not offering the right thing. If you offer something that's value enough and you do enough volume, it's pretty hard not to win. I'm just telling you right now. Again, that's what you guys are going to do. One last bonus one is that you can sell this to pretty much any business. I couldn't even include all the businesses. There's so many, but plumbers, dentists, lawyers, chiropractors, real estate. In fact, like your ability and your pool of people to sell to is vast. You want that when you're doing stuff like this. If you can only sell to a small group of people, unless it's super high ticket, you're going to struggle with this. You can sell to all kinds of people. So guys, grab it down below. It's free. It's yours. You don't even have to be my affiliate. Take this. Even if you're not going to use it, it's probably wise just to take it and have it because you never know when you run into a restaurant or you need to demo an AI smart website to get a client. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I will answer personally. If you are interested in high level, okay, and you want to get all the bonuses and you want to learn from a pro, a real GHL wizard, click the link down below. Okay, or drop a comment and ask me about it because I can help. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna link a video at the end of this video that's gonna be going over starting an agency from scratch. Because some of you guys may already have high level or you're skeptical still. I wanna give you even more value. And this video is like, I think 12 hours long. It's absurd, but it's gonna go over step by step how to have an agency, getting clients, it goes into that. I mean, it's a masterpiece. And again, I give away a lot of other free stuff in that, but like that video that's a masterclass that you can have for free. So again, thank you guys for watching. Drop a comment down below and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.